Po.
Charlie, may seatbelts ba?
Pardon?
Meron kayong seatbelts? Napansin mo ba?
There was no seatbelt po. No seatbelt.
Lahat wala. Lahat walang seatbelt.
Not that I noticed, to be honest, I didn't really notice if there were seatbelts or not, but wala namang parang regulation na they told us to wear them pero I'm 80% sure I did not see any seatbelt po.
Charlie, kinumpirma na ng pulisya na isa sa mga namatay yung komedyanteng si Tado Jimenez. Kilala mo ba yon? Nakita mo ba siya doon?
Yes po, he was part of our group eh.
I'm
He
sorry
was part
to
of
hear
our
that.
group, he was sitting behind us.
Oo. Sabi mo, what group are you talking about? Ano itong
Just
grupo
a
na
group of
tinutukoy
friends
mo?
po.
I'm
Sorry,
sorry?
we were a group of friends, a group of artists, photographers,
Pasaan sana kayo,
musicians.
Charlie?
Ano pa?
Pasaan? Ano sana ang pakay ninyo sa pagbiyahe ninyo?
Yun na nga po, we wanted to, kasi one of our, the kid, it was his birthday, the son of our friend. So, parang, we wanted to bring the child to the community in Kalinga so we can celebrate it with them. Together with the locals of the community. Yung ganon. So, we were on our way up to Puskalan, Kalinga, sana.
Ilang kayo sa grupo, Charlie?
In total, 15 yata kami, counting the kids.
Madami. And all of you escaped the accident?
No, we lost nga 3 friends po.
Ayun si Tado?
Si Sir Tado po yung isa. I identified 3 of them. There was also si Gerard Baha and si David T. Campo.
And the rest, yung iba pa ninyong mga kaibigan o kasamahan, Charlie, kamusta sila ngayon?
I was checking. I'm trying to check on all of them. So far, yung status po, there are 2 on the na transfer sa isang hospital na tinetreat for their, isa kasi parang nabalian eh. So he's undergoing surgery. Then the others also, yung isa medyo parang i-airlift din. They're kind of in bad shape kasi parang their spine hurts and parang I'm not sure about how many fractures they have, but may mga sutures din sila sa head nila and stuff. But otherwise they're alive and conscious naman. Pagkwento naman po sila.